Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you confused about which crypto exchange is the best in 2025? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to break down the top 3 and find the best one to fit your trading needs. Let's go.
All right, now we're going to talk about Binance. All right, guys, so yeah, Binance is really cool as well, and it is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. That's right, known for its vast coin listings, also low fees and advanced trading capabilities. Binance is going to serve as a global audience and supports everything from spot trading to complex derivatives. As you can see here, it has over 282,525,600, oh, it's going up, 704 trusted users. So very cool stuff. I've heard a lot of good things about Binance. Again, this is the one that I use to convert my crypto from USDT to cash or whatever. So I really trust Binance, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it as well. And it's amazing. And some of its key features are low trading fees, as low as 0.1%. So think about that when you're thinking about investing in a crypto exchange. You get that low introductory 0.1% fee, which discounts using BNB tokens. So it gets even lower over time, okay? And you can access hundreds of crypto pairs and token listings. I think that's amazing. You also get advanced trading options, futures, margins, and P2P. Awesome stuff, peer-to-peer trading, very cool. You can earn passive income with it as well, with staking, savings, and launch pool. So I think that's very exciting. And it also offers an educational platform. And as a new crypto person myself, I really appreciate the fact that these different crypto exchanges that we're talking about today all have these educational portals which allow you to learn more about how they work, their functionalities, the intricacies, and all the details that you're going to need to learn throughout your crypto journey. So I really recommend Binance as well, because it has this awesome academy that provides free detailed crypto lessons. Very cool stuff. And this is ideal for intermediate to advanced traders, users that seek high liquidity. Okay, so if you're one of those users that seeks a high liquidity and access to many altcoins, Binance is going to be for you. Investors exploring DeFi, staking, and yield farming options. So that's very important. And you can get all your frequently asked questions answered here. You can check out all the different features of Binance up here as well. So make sure that you do that. You can start earning tokens by clicking here, checking out all the awesome features that it offers. I highly recommend it. It's great. Binance is definitely one that I'm really excited for, all right?
All right, guys, so which exchange are you using right now, and do you plan to switch in 2025? Let us know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and share the video with those looking to invest in crypto, and we'll see you in the next video.